Hi, I'm Mike Friesen, President and CEO of Elmer's Manufacturing. Elmer's has been engaged in manufacturing agricultural implements since 1978. Our story started with a vision to improve our own implements on our farm to improve our farming process. This eventually turned into a business serving other farmers with this equipment we were building. Guided by strong principles, disciplined work ethic, and innovative thinking from our own farm are reasons we have been successful throughout the decades and continue to grow across the globe today. I believe that where the ownership lies of a company determines how far the organization will reach for customers and employees. As a family-owned business and farmers ourselves, we know firsthand the challenges that the farmers face today. The products we build are unique to our market. We continue to push past the status quo and focus on adding value to the farm's operation regardless of the path we needed to take to get there. We are honored to have served the customers we've had in the past, present, and are excited about the future opportunity to serve new customers as they experience our brand and the value we're able to deliver.